Hi, I'm Mike Jung. I'm here with Icon Pro Audio, and this is Sound Service TV 2018 Superbooth. So I want to introduce to you the latest additions to the Platform family. It's a series of modular DAW-Controllers made by Icon Pro Audio. So here we've got the M+. This is one unit here. We've got a nice setup with 8+1 motor faders at high resolution, and I've got virtual potentiometers here, so I can control pan, and with help of the new Platform B+, I can control other parameters like bus sends and EQ and plug-in parameters directly in the platform. With help of the display, you can see what we're doing there. And we've got some visual feedback also. I can see my pan setting. I've got the names of the tracks here. I can change the volume level, and we've got some visual feedback there. I've also, by the way, on this particular example, I've installed the metal fader caps and pot caps, so we've got a very nice feel. They've got some weight to them, the motor faders. Let me show you how they move. So I'm jumping through banks here, and I'm able to see how faders move. So we've got some familiar controls down here. We can mute and solo tracks. I can select the track which I would like to apply plugins to, for example, with help of B+, and so on. I've got a very nice, compact and useful transport section here with my sturdy jog wheel. I can scroll through the whole session. If I press down and turn, I've got scrub. Anyways, that's the M+. We've got the same, we've got the whole deal 3 more times in addition to this if we want, because we can expand this with the X+, so we have up to 32 channels at once. In any case though, your project can be as big as you want, because we can use bank up down to reach all the channels, and the motor faders will jump to the positions where you want. You can see in my setup here, I've got my bus sums here for my groups, and then over here on the M+ on the right, I have all my channels, and I can scroll along there. So this is a very practical mix setup, and also something that could be forgotten by people who just work in the box, but extremely helpful and great for certain type of mixing style. You've got a master fader here. And during mix, this can be very useful, but you guys can read about that on your own. With the new B+ here, we've got 50 buttons with visual lighting feedback, and we can set down our overlay there that come delivered in the box. So we've got a bunch of overlays for all kinds of software, more popular ones and less popular ones. And then you've got a setup here where you can, using MCP, you can control all kinds of parameters inside of your DAW. So you can change the modes of the virtual pots on your platform, M+, or you can change other things like cycle. You can zoom in on your project. You can use user-defined functions. So just a nice bit of functionality there. So that's not all. We also have the Platform U22 VST. This is a new 3.0 high-speed data connection audio interface. So we've got the latest technology for ADDA conversion in here by Icon, and we've got 2 analog combo inputs, so we can quite easily integrate a simple and very effective sound card right into our platform setup on our desk. So that plays well with the modular concept of the Platform series. To support all of this, we've got also the Icon One Hub. This little guy is pretty useful because this is able to supply 4 times power for our platform devices, and can take 4 times USB, and then uses a USB 3.0 connection to feed that into our computer. So I've got my whole computer system hooked up to the platform with one USB cable in the end. That's the advantage of this.